name's Nina. I'm with Georgia Perimeter Homes, and I'm the Director of Lead Generation here. And today we're going to talk about expireds and withdrawns. So make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. Hi, my name's Nina. I'm with Georgia Perimeter Homes, and I'm the Director of Lead Generation here. And today we're going to talk about expireds and withdrawns. So make sure. So an expired listing is a listing that was on the market for a period of time and unfortunately did not sell. A withdrawn listing is one that was on the market and the seller decided to pull it off. Agents should incorporate expireds and withdrawns into their lead generation time because these are sellers who are already motivated to sell their home. In many cases, a listing expires simply because a lot of agents don't do what they're supposed to do. When it comes to selling a home, marketing is very important. But not only do you want to make sure that you're marketing the property, you want to make sure that you're doing so properly and to the correct target audience. We actually have our own in-house marketing staff where we cater our strategies to the seller's specific home and needs. A lot of times a seller will choose to remove the house from the market and withdraw it sometimes it's because of bad communication from the agent, not getting feedback. It could be that the agent isn't marketing the property, or it could be just a life event or other, extenuating circumstances. To find a list of expireds and withdrawn listings, you can use different websites like Boomtown, Vulcan 7, or RedX. Our team actually uses Vulcan 7 for our expired and withdrawn list, and Vulcan 7 actually includes a dialer as well, which just makes the process a lot smoother and it makes calling more efficient. When it comes to the different lead services, the costs vary and each experience is going to be different, so there will be a little bit of trial and error. So I know I mentioned a dialer system earlier, and all that is simply, you will be assigned a phone number to call, and when you call that number, it will automatically call your list of leads. And as soon as you hang up with the one lead, it will call the next automatically. So it just makes the process a lot faster and smoother. Some of the lead services do include a triple dialer, and the only difference with that is it's calling 3 people at a time instead of 1. When the one person answers, a voicemail will be sent to the other 2 who didn't. And as soon as you hang up with that lead, again, it will automatically call the next set of people. If you choose not to use a dialer, you can just call, the list that is provided to you on a daily basis. You can just call each list manually. But I do suggest to use a dialer just because it makes life a lot easier. With each of the lead services that I mentioned earlier, you get an updated list every day. Once you have your expired or withdrawn lead on the phone, in order to convert them, you want to do so by just building rapport and gaining their trust. I do so by just not trying to sound too robotic on the phone or too professional. I really just talk naturally, have a naturally flowing conversation, and try to just be myself. Okay, so that's an overview of expired and withdrawn listings and the importance of incorporating them into your lead generation. Again, my name is Nina and I'm with Georgia Perimeter Homes. For any of your real estate needs, you have any questions, give us a call or visit the website.